This is Bill North of the Florida Weekend Warriors, and in this video we picked up some snap pads for our scissor jacks. They're not snap pads, they call them base pads because they're made by Stromberg, which is a different company. So we picked them up at the Super Show, so we're going to try them out, see how they work. It says it's made with EPDM rubber and it will not crack, split, shred, or break. So we hope that's true. These come in a pack of 2. So there's 2 in each package, and they come with adapters in case your scissor jack base is slightly smaller. It's designed to fit a bottom that's 8.5 to 9 inches. So if it's slightly short, they come with adapters. They're right here. And you snap them onto each end so that'll fit. So let's check them out. Here's what they look like. They're a pretty hard rubber and they're kind of heavy. And they're not made by the Snap Pad company. And to put these on, you don't put soap on, you basically use a screwdriver. Instructions say to get one end in and then just use it like a shoehorn to get it on there. So let's see how hard it is to do. Here's what these little adapters look like. They just snap right on the end of each scissor jack. And if you actually need them, you install them right away before you try to put it on there. So. Let's see here. These are exactly, mine are exactly 8 3/4. So it's just a matter of getting one end on. Fairly snug. Using the screwdriver. Gotta get this corner. This one corner. There's that corner. There we go, it's on there. Put it down with the jack to get it seated. There it goes. That's what it looks like installed. It looks like it'll stay on there. I mean, I can't pull them off. I can see them coming off going down the highway. It'll save us from using those little orange squares that we're constantly putting down each time we go to put the jack down. Here's what they look like installed. It's supposed to increase the surface area by 130%. So hopefully we won't need those orange things anymore. Now these are $46 on Amazon, but we got them at General RV and they were $25. So it's a huge savings, and it wasn't really a show price. So I think that's the regular price at General RV. So if you swing by General RV, pick them up, see if you like them. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you've tried them out and you liked them. But so far so good. They're nice and heavy duty, and I think they're gonna do the trick. So we'll see you on our next adventure. See ya.